Hey y'all, thank you so very much for taking time to come over and visit with me over on Fritz's Cooking again. I'm Fritz, and guys, I wanted to share a little care package that I got from my great friend Tracy over at Kentucky Bourbon Q, guys. That's 925 South 7th Street, Louisville, Kentucky, guys. And thank you so very much, Tracy. I can't wait to get into this, guys. And what it is I did a few recipes a while back with the Kentucky Bourbon Q sauces. And I did one where I actually injected some Cornish game hens with the Kentucky oak sauce, which is fantastic, one of my favorites. And I did some steaks with the Kentucky Derby sauce, guys. And I'm here to tell you it is outstanding barbecue sauce, guys. You have to give it a try, and I'll leave some links down below and where you can actually go and visit with them, guys. But all right, guys, let me get into this. Tracy, thank you so much. I can't wait to get in here. All right, guys, we got inside the box. It was inside the box. It was very well wrapped with bubble wrap and peanuts, packing peanuts. And I'm here to tell you guys, if y'all order any of this, I guarantee it's going to arrive very safely. Guys, what we're looking at here, it says 12 375 milliliter flasks. Moonshine Madness, guys. So I'm pretty sure they probably order their flasks from down here in Bardstown, Nelson County. It says serial number DSP KY31 4.5 liters, date filled, Bardstown, Nelson County, Kentucky. And that's where a lot of our distilleries are, guys, our bourbon distilleries. So, guys, I'm hoping y'all are going to order some of this stuff. Let's hop in here and see what we got real quick. Oh, check it out, guys. I love my spicy pickles, y'all. And this is one of their lineups, Pappy's. You know, they got the Bourbon Q, you know, like the stuff dedicated to the Kentucky Derby and the Oaks and stuff like that. And they actually have the Pappy's brand as well. And this is called Pappy's Peppered Pickles. Say that 3 times. Pappy's Peppered Pickles. Pappy's Peppered... Nope, that ain't happening. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get into that. All right, guys, what do we have here? This is called Pappy's Happy Tears, mild and spicy. Oh my goodness, I love me some pepper sauce, guys. Man, doesn't that look good? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Man, oh man, oh man. I'm gonna be cooking up a storm with this stuff. All right, guys. Ooh, Fighting Cock, Kentucky Bourbon brand barbecue sauce. Come singe a few tail feathers unless you'd rather stay in the hen house. I love it, I love it. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Tracy. Man, I love it. God, I can't wait to get into all these sauces, y'all. All right, what else do we have here? Okay, here we go. Bourbon Q, Distiller's Choice. I haven't had this yet. Like I said, I've had the Kentucky Derby and I've had the Kentucky Oaks. Man, oh man, that looks so rich and delicious. All right, guys, what else we got in here? Ooh, Pappy's sauce for sissies. Mild barbecue sauce, good for babies, brats, and bikers. Even tough guys can have a hard time with a little spice. That's why there is baby food and Pappy sauce for sissies. Honestly, folks, I couldn't make it any milder and still live with myself. I love it, guys. I love it. Look at that, guys. Look at this lineup I got going on here. Okay. All right. Get down in here, see what we got going. Okay. Ooh. Got stuff in the bottom, guys. Oh, check it out, guys. Bear Claw Honey Butt Spice. You put this on anything but buff your honey. But your honey. Well, maybe. Okay, guys, I can't wait to utilize this. You know what? I love my rubs, guys. I love my rubs. All right, hold on one second, guys. I had to flip my steaks. All right, guys, let's continue on. Looky here, looky here. Churchill Downs Bourbon Q Gold Reserve. I haven't had this either, guys. Look at this. Ain't that something, y'all? Sakes alive, sakes alive. I done got the mother load going on here. Pappy's Triple X White Lightning. All the love you'll ever need. Barbecue sauce and more. Ingredients. If we're not telling the revenue, boys, we're not telling you. I love it, guys. I love it, man. Ain't that something? Thank you so very much. All right, guys, we're down to our last bottle here. Pappy's Moonshine Madness. Oh my goodness, looky here, man. I can't wait to dive into these hot barbecue sauce with Kentucky bourbon, y'all. That is what I'm talking about. All right, guys, let me get this lined up. Guys, I'm glad I emptied the smaller box into the bigger box, or I'd have never found my Pepe's hottest ride in town barbecue sauce. Burns faster and hotter from tongue to tailpipe. I love that, guys. I love all these slogans on here. Tracy, I can't thank you enough for all this wonderful barbecue sauce you sent me, and the pickles and the rub. My God, man, thank you so very, very much. And I can't wait to start cooking with it, y'all. And guys, let's check out my lineup here. I've got Pepe's hottest ride in town barbecue sauce. Pepe's Moonshine Madness hot barbecue sauce with Kentucky bourbon. Pepe's sauce for sissies, good for babies, brats, and bikers. Pepe's XXX White Lightning, all the love you'll ever need, barbecue sauce and more. Fighting Cock, Kentucky bourbon brand barbecue sauce. Oh my God! And I've got the Churchill Downs barbecue bourbon Q Gold Reserve. I've got the Bourbon Q Distiller's Choice. I've got some Pappy's Happy Tears, and I got me some, man, I love spicy pickles, guys. This is one of my favorite things on the planet, on sandwiches and everything. And I got me some rub, guys. Tracy, my dear friend, I want to say thank you so very, very much, and I'm hoping all my friends will come over and visit with y'all. Like I said, I'm going to leave links down below, and I'm sure, well, the way this thing was packed up, I'm sure it'll come to you safe and sound, guys. And I cannot wait to start cooking with this stuff, and there's so many videos to follow. Thank you so very much, Bourbon Q. Thank you so very much, Tracy. Rock on, Kentucky. All right, y'all.